Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to your channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, we're going to be doing another of our single product reviews. In this series, we take just one product per video and we tear it apart. We look at the ingredients, we look at the outcomes that it claims to be able to deliver, we look at the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, and work out ultimately whether there's space for it in your skincare routine. Today, it's the turn of Tidal by Sunday Riley. This is a brightening water enzyme cream that claims to be able to brighten the skin, provide a mild exfoliation, and hydrate like no other product. There's some bold claims associated with this product, and I'm super excited to put it to the test. Now, Sunday Riley is a brand which I absolutely adore. If you haven't checked out my video, I did sort of the best and the worst of Sunday Riley. I'll link that up there. Check it out, because as with all brands, they have some ding, 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 amazing, standout, stellar performing products, and they have some real duds. So check that out if you're more interested in the brand in general. But today we're just focusing on the Tidal Enzyme Brightening Water Cream. Now, this product is packed full of brightening agents, it's got active ingredients in there, and it's packed full of hydration. So in theory, it should deliver. I've been using this on and off for the past 4 years. I'll come on to why it's not my go-to moisturiser later in the video, but I do know what I'm talking about with this product because it is one of those go-to that I keep going back to. So what are the key ingredients in this product? Well, first of all, alpha-arbutin. I love alpha-arbutin as a mild brightening agent. It's going to help break down some of the pigmentation that might be plaguing the skin. It's going to even out the skin tone over time and just give you that general low-level brightening that we all absolutely crave, especially coming into summer, which we are here in the UK. We want our skin to be even and glowing to the gods, and this alpha-arbutin is a key ingredient to be able to deliver that. It's also got packed full of humectants, most specifically hyaluronic acid, which we all know is just like a moisture magnet. It's just going to suck all that moisture in and retain it in the skin and give you that plump, dewy, hydrated skin that we all crave. Unfortunately, it does also contain fragrance, natural fragrance, basil and mimosa. Gives it a gorgeous scent, but unfortunately, if you are sensitive to fragrance, even natural fragrance, this isn't going to be the product for you because it is quite high up on the ingredients list. As with everything, I would say, irrespective of whether you're sensitive or not, patch test behind the ear first, make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction to it before you then apply it to the whole face. So I've used this product, as I said, for the past 4 years, and what do I think it delivers? Well, it certainly delivers hydration. This is a hydration powerhouse. It goes on like water. It's like a mixture of like a cloud and water. You barely notice it's on the skin. It sinks in like that. Some creams you have to apply for a good 20 to 30 seconds, up to 2 minutes before you want to put your makeup on because you need time to sink in. Not with this. You put it on and it's gone within seconds. That hydration lasts all day. You don't need to reapply this product during the day, which is a fantastic mark of a good water cream. It provides that hydration and it keeps it and sustains it throughout the day, which this product absolutely does. Would I say it brightens the skin? Yes, at the margins. I don't think there's enough concentration of product of active ingredients in this to give you that real brightening that we crave. You need a vitamin C, you need a super strength product to be able to deliver that. But yes, it can aid with the brightening. The enzymes are a really natural and gentle way of exfoliating. So if you don't want to go for an exfoliating acid, quite a harsh chemical exfoliation, this is a really good alternative. The enzymes break down, eat away at the bonds which hold the dead skin to the glowing skin underneath, which allows that beautiful skin which we all have under those layers of dirt, grime and dead skin to shine through. So the exfoliation is really good in this product, and enzymes are a really good way of getting that. So I think the alpha-arbutin with the enzymes with the hyaluronic acid is a beautiful combination that's certainly going to hydrate and at the margins provide that brightening we all want. So let's go for what I class. Let's start on a positive. What are the pros of this product? Well, first of all, cruelty-free. That should be standard in 2020, but it's not. So I do really enjoy the fact that Sunday Riley are a fully cruelty-free brand. You know you're getting that ethical skincare if you buy into the brand. So ding, 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 big win for me straight off the bat with this product. Second of all, it delivers what it says it's going to deliver. It promises you that brightening, and it does deliver it, and it definitely delivers on the hydration front. So I love it just for the hydration alone. I think this product is fantastic. So I really enjoy that. The texture is brilliant because you don't have that heavy occlusive thickness that you get with some creams, particularly in summer. Here in the UK, it is roasting at the moment, and particularly if you're oily skinned like myself, you don't want a thick, heavy cream that is difficult to perspire through, because that's when it starts to pill, ball up, and just feel really greasy on the skin. This never does that. It's lightweight and it's fantastic for summer wear. This could be someone's go-to summer moisturiser. I absolutely love it. Another pro is it's suitable for all skin types. Yes, I think if you are oily, you're going to get the most benefit out of this because it's a lightweight yet super hydrating. Normal combination, absolutely fine. If you're super dry or on the drier end, you might need something a bit thicker than this and a bit more occlusive. But by all means, give it a go because it's certainly not going to do any harm to the skin. Now, if we go into the cons, for me, the packaging, it's rare that I touch on packaging because I think packaging, I'm more concerned with what's in the packaging than the packaging itself. But a big con for me is the fact it comes in a tub, which means you put your finger in, you have to scrape in there. You've got the bacteria from your hand going into the product. You don't need a lot of this product, so it does last a long time, and you've got that bacteria and grease and grime festering in there. I don't like that. I prefer a pump, more hygienic and easier to use. A lot of companies don't use pumps with creams because it's hard to get the cream through the pump mechanism. This is so lightweight, silky and gliding that you could easily use a pump with this. I don't know why Sunday Riley haven't. So Sunday Riley, if you're listening, please give us a pump. It's what we crave. So I'm knocking a point off for the packaging because I think it could be more easy to use and more hygienic. The price point, it's Sunday Riley pricing. This is not a drugstore brand and it never claims to be. You're getting a beautiful formulation and you're getting really good active ingredients in good concentrations. So you're paying for it. But I do think there are some cheaper dupes out there, which I'm going to come on to. And so the price for me is a bit of a negative because I feel it could be more cost effective and cheaper for the consumer. Overall, how would I rate this product? Well, overall, grand reveal, drum roll please, I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. That's a really good, top-notch product. The reason I chose to review this, even though I've already covered it in the Sunday Riley video, is this is something that features very regularly in subscription boxes, the likes of Boxycharm, where you pay a set fee and you get for $25 you might get $250 worth of product or whatever. There's loads of different ones out there. This often features in there as a kind of give you a sample, get you hooked, get you to buy the full size product. And so I know a lot of people have come to our channel casually and asked about this product, which is why I've done this review today. Would I think it's worth the investment? 7 out of 10 is always a product which I would say is worth the money, is worth an investment. However, if you're on a bit of a budget and you're not worried necessarily about the enzyme element of this because you're already using a exfoliant, you might have a daily exfoliation, you might have a weekly exfoliation regime. So say you're not really that concerned with the enzyme, then actually a perfect dupe which delivers absolutely everything else is the Hydroboost gel by Neutrogena. I'll leave an image of that there. Literally, it's a fifth of the price and provides the exact same level of hydration. Yes, you don't get the enzymes, but it's the same texture. It's that cloud-like water texture. It's the same ingredients and it's the same level of hydration. So I don't see there's a need to spend Sunday Riley money to buy this product when you can get a really good dupe and just combine it with your existing exfoliation routine. That would be my personal preference, but let me know below. I'd love to know what you think. Why did you come here? Have you received this? I'd love to know. If you've received this in a subscription box and this is why you've checked out the channel, leave me a comment, let me know. What do you think of this product? Have you used it? Will you use it? Have you had a sample? Have you bought the full rate? Let me know. Sign up in the comments below. Hopefully you'll give this video a thumbs up. This really helps YouTube to understand that the content we provide is good quality, which fingers crossed, I hope it is. So if you give it a thumbs up, that will really help the channel. And guys, wherever in the world you are, I'll see you in the next review. Take care. Bye.